In this video I'm gonna show you how to check your minutes listed on Spotify. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? So first of all, I will pass the information on my Android, but it's the same information to your iPhone, okay? What you need to do is not log on Spotify because Spotify doesn't have an official tool to see your listed minutes, okay? Your minutes listed. So what you need to do is come to your shop, okay, your shop app, and search for this app right here, Stay Free. You can also download other apps that have the same function, but I will use this one. So install the app and open the app that you installed. Okay, in my case I will open right here, and after doing that you just need to find Spotify and click on top. After clicking on top, you will see all minutes listed that you have on Spotify and the days that you listed, okay? That is the only way to do this process because Spotify doesn't have an official tool. I hope I helped you on how to check your minutes listed on Spotify. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.